Hey, this is Don Cottom of 323 Link. Today I want to show you our quick keys on OneTouch. And what I have in front of me actually is a screen. Now this screen is the main interface for the control system in the room. And so the difference between OneTouch AV systems and video conference and streaming recording systems, the big difference is we don't need a rack full of equipment. This is a concept of using a computer as the core that has the control system at the kernel level at the PC that interoperates with all the software at the deepest possible levels. And this has a lot of power as we start to move into the generation of AI that's coming. And so if you're a control system company or you're going to do turnkey AV rooms, which is what we do, you need to have an anchor software that can do this at the kernel level in the PC. We believe that's a foundational component of how AV of the future is going to happen. And so that's what we're doing. And so we're taking the simple concepts from the original Zoom room and Teams rooms and all these other rooms that we've just built off of that and made this replace the most complicated AV system you can think of with a simple computer by reducing our trouble tickets by as much as 70% in many cases, and just having a better operating general room. That's what OneTouch is about. And again, these quick keys go to the most common apps that you use all the time. And so in this case, I'm using my computer also as a desktop computer, so I can quickly switch back and forth between that computer interface. I can also have a second computer in the room that will run as my presentation computer as well. But if you see on the left-hand side, I have all these apps. These are all customizable. I can integrate with everything from Citrix to Microsoft apps to any video app. This is all about having all the power of all those specialty type of boutique things like a video conference suite or a streaming recording suite or a YouTube studio or an AV or just simple audio system with some presentations. A OneTouch configuration can replace all of these things at about half the cost in many cases. So this is, we think, the future of audiovisual. We won't be the only company doing software interfaces like this. There's some companies that are doing this, but one of the reasons we wrote our own is because we think somebody needed to write a really, really good, to make this scalable, it has to be simple to program, simple to operate, simple to support. That's what we're doing here at 323 Link, and that's what OneTouch is, and that's why we added these new quick keys. So thanks for checking it out.